ultra-mobile signal problems often stem from weak reception, band lock, or temporary glitches. Weak reception occurs when your phone struggles to connect to a cell tower, measured in dBm, ideally between -50 to -70 dBmers. Distance, obstructions, and interference cause this. Band lock is when your phone is stuck on a specific frequency band and can't access a stronger signal. For Android devices, you can access hidden menus, 464636, to check band lock. Finally, temporary glitches occur that require resetting. Key fixes include checking signal strength, performing an airplane mode reset, toggling it on and off, and ensuring your device supports the necessary bands. You can use Ultramobile's app-based diagnostics tool to troubleshoot real-time signal problems. Remember, Ultramobile uses Verizon's network, so coverage gaps may mirror Verizon's. These issues can affect signal strength across different network types. Beyond basic fixes, consider these practical solutions. First, check your SIM card for damage. Ensure your APN settings are correctly configured. Update carrier settings by dialing these sticks 7. Use Ultramobile's app, which utilizes AI to predict and resolve signal drops automatically. If in a known coverage dead spot, consider external antennas. The industry trend moves toward AI-driven diagnostics and self-healing networks, which are expected to cut signal issue resolution times. While 5G standalone networks and eventually 6G promise improvements, proactively using the troubleshooting steps will greatly help now. Remember, most experts attribute 70% of issues to the device, not the network. So start troubleshooting there.